Taylor Lindhart, and I co-curated the ephemera exhibition here in the Faculty Center. Actually, Stephen kind of approached me with this idea of using ephemera as the focus of a show. So we're trying to highlight faculty who do performance things on the weekends. We're trying to expose them and their other hobbies and showcasing not only what they do here at Columbia, but also their fun hobbies and the things that they collect after those performances and putting them on display.
My name is Kevin Reardon. I'm full-time staff in creative services and a part-time instructor for interactive arts and media. And I've always had little side projects going back for like the last 30 years or so, and I usually do little flyers to promote them. So people that know me, I'm always handing them a flyer for something or other. And these are just some of them for different projects, mostly DJing, or I was in a band for a while, and I did a few art shows and books that I also promoted, so pretty much anything that would stick against the wall.
This has been going for a couple months. We definitely had a lot of initial planning, and we kind of came in and saw like the space and what we had to work with, and then we approached a lot of faculty.
I am somebody who collects ephemera, not just my own, but you know, if I see an interesting flyer or go to a nice event, I'll always save it in a filing cabinet. So it was easy for me to dig in and find things that I had done that were about events that you know, didn't last too long, but at least there's some kind of piece of paper to remember them.
Oh my gosh. I mean, yeah, I mean, when you work with ephemera, I mean, this is like ticket stubs and, you know, posters and, you know, a lot of like 2D flat material that like people keep, you know, for, you know, nostalgic reasons to highlight this area or performance in their life. And so when you have those materials, you know, there's not much you can do except for like maybe putting them on the wall, or so we kind of took it a step further and really extended the view of, you know, the life of this performance and highlighting the faculty who were in it. I mean, I think it really captures them beautifully and everything, so I think everything looks amazing.